Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're creating a peaceful and magical landscape with mountains and a glowing moon, a dreamy scene that's simple to draw and full of calm, nighttime beauty. This step-by-step tutorial is perfect for anyone who loves nature, quiet moments, and relaxing art. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our cozy and creative drawing tutorials. And here's something to think about. If you could watch the moon rise from anywhere in the world, where would it be? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your dream view. Let's get drawing and bring this peaceful scene to life. Beautiful work, artists! Your moonlit mountain landscape looks calm, magical, and full of charm. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this peaceful tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other dreamy and relaxing art videos. There's always something new to explore. Keep drawing, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next video.